Small pale spider on the wall tonight? Good news, this problem is usually fixable. You're watching Nature Archive Docs. Let's identify it, rate the risk, and solve it fast. Most people see this spider and assume danger. That's where the confusion starts. First clue, yellow sac spiders are usually pale yellow, beige, or light greenish. Second clue, the front legs often look longer and stretch forward. Third clue, it's small, usually tiny enough to look harmless at first glance. Here's the twist. It doesn't use a classic web trap to catch prey. The giveaway is the tiny silk hideout. That little sac is its daytime shelter. Daytime, it hides. Nighttime, it wanders. That's why people suddenly spot it after dark. So why does it show up inside your home? The answer is not it likes you.
It comes inside for shelter, hunting, and easy access through small gaps. The real magnet is food. If bugs are inside, spiders follow. Yellow sac spiders are active hunters. They roam instead of waiting in a web. Check corners, ceilings, curtains, bedsides, laundry piles, and window frames. Outside, they often hide in leaves, shrubs, gardens, and siding crevices. They do not hunt humans. They usually bite only when trapped against skin. This is the part people fear most, so let's keep it accurate. Most bites cause burning, redness, mild swelling, or itching near the spot. Most cases stay local and improve. Severe outcomes are uncommon. One myth lingers online: dramatic skin damage. That claim is often overstated. Many spider bites are never seen. Misidentification causes a lot of false blame. If symptoms spread, feel severe, or look infected, contact a medical professional. Ready for the real solution? Most people solve this backwards. Step 1, cut their food supply. Fewer bugs means fewer hunting spiders. Wipe crumbs, seal food, clean drains, and remove standing water. Outdoor lights attract insects. Insects attract hunters. That chain matters. Step 2, close the door on them. Seal cracks, gaps, and loose screens. Tiny gaps count. Spiders do not need a grand entrance. Step 3, reduce clutter. Hiding spots make your home easier to hunt in. Clothes on the floor are a bonus hiding place. Shake them out before wearing. If you're nervous at night, shake bedding and check pillows before sleep. Vacuum corners, baseboards, and silk sacks. It's simple and effective. Outside, trim plants away from walls and clear dense vegetation near entry points. Move stored boxes and firewood away from the house when possible. Want proof? Use sticky traps to monitor where activity is actually happening. Here's your challenge. Count the gaps in one room. Most homes lose fast. Spraying everything is rarely the smartest first move. If numbers stay high, targeted treatment around entry points may help. If you're seeing many spiders often, a pest professional can inspect the bigger cause. In homes with kids or pets, prevention matters even more than panic. Seeing one spider does not mean your home is overrun. Sightings can increase when spiders wander more, or when bugs move indoors. Not every pale spider is a yellow sac spider. Identification still matters. Need it gone now? Use a cup and paper, then release it outside. But don't skip one tiny clue. The silk sac tells you where it has been resting. Find the resting spot, and you're finally solving the real problem. Quick recap. Small pale spider, longer front legs, silk retreat, active at night. The risk is usually limited, but trapped contact can lead to a painful bite. The fix is simple. Fewer bugs, fewer gaps, fewer hiding places. Ceiling walker or laundry lurker? Comment where you've seen one most. If this clears up a fear in your home, share it with someone else. Subscribe to Nature Archive Docs for more smart fixes from the natural world. Remember, it didn't come for you. It came for the bugs you forgot. Tonight, check one corner, one window, and one clutter spot. Start there. Fear drops fast when the mystery has a name and a plan. If a bite worsens or you feel unwell, get medical advice. Simple rule. Even annoying house visitors are still tiny hunters playing their role in nature. So the next pale wall runner shows up, you'll know the drill. Like the video if you learned something useful, and share it with a nervous friend. Thanks for watching Nature Archive Docs. Stay curious, stay calm, and see you next time.